There's an example of if you had an infinite amount of monkeys and an infinite amount of typewriters and an infinite amount of time. Infinity doesn't exist. But if you had all those things, they would come up with Hamlet. Even if they came up with Hamlet, it's meaningless because Hamlet was written to make you think. Hamlet was written to make you feel something, to get a point across. It was communication from a mind to a mind, and all of those monkeys and typewriters in time aren't communicating with you. It's just a happenstance.